Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove the SD card or memory card on GoPro Hero 13. So first of all, we need to open the side door, which is of course located on the opposite side of the power or mode button. We have this plastic element over here. We can use our fingers in order to pull it down like so, and then you can easily just open it. And the memory card is of course located over here, right next to the battery. We need to use our fingernail in order to push it. So once you push it, it will come out just a little bit. I'm not sure if it is actually visible on the camera, but it is out just a little bit, and then you can try to use your finger in order to take it out. If it's difficult for you to actually remove the SD card, then I can recommend removing the battery first, as it makes it a little bit easier to remove the SD card. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!